6.5 million cleaning workers and sanitary workers in India. But the equipment used by them are generally very
insufficient,
outdated and bulky.
So, if in India the broom market is more than 74.5 million US dollar in India, so why there is no global leader of the broom brand in India to solve all this problem? We are team
Atal Swachham,
presenting our solution. Their name is
Atal Swachham.
multi-purpose broom,
Easy to carry
and very portable.
Atal Swachham is totally made from the natural thing, which leads to the sustainability and the eco-driven.
This broom is a combination of multiple brooms.
Broom is a two types of, and first is used to sweep. Second,
As you can see here, this broom at the first end used for the sweeping the streets.
Second, flexible broom. That is broom used for cleaning up public places and public toilets.
As you can see here, this broom is used at the public places to clean the washrooms and the toilets and the sanitary places. The
Special type of mop for cleaning the surface in public places. Also, we attach a coconut broom for cleaning the garbage in a streets.
So in Atal Swachham there is not only this four thing. Also our revolution and the very unique thing is we attach a 1 liter the water dispenser mechanism for cleaning and washing the tiles in the public places. As of now we use in the traditional broom or spin mops we use a heavy bucket which are very bulky and causes a back pain to the sanitary workers and the cleaners. But in Atal Swachham there are the specific 1 liter water storage tank. We can put the water, insert the water from here, and from this nozzle the water are exhaled. So we can easily clean the surface in the very limited water and there is no excessive water happen. Also we have a solar charger which are made from for the sanitary workers and the cleaner. We can, when we put this broom for the drying or wet, so we can easily charge our mobile from this solar charger, so we can utilize this time. Also we have a special type of soap storage box and the specialized hooks to maintain the hygiene of the sanitary workers. So the practical use of our product Atal Swachham, as you can see here, this lady is a sanitary and the cleaning worker in our Patel Secondary Junior College. This lady, you can see here a single broom the perform the multiple work, like here a wiper which can use for the clean the water in the school surfaces. Also here a flexible plastic brush which can use to the clean the toilets and the washrooms. Also here a special type of sweeping broom that can sweep the school surfaces. Also he have a special type of cleaning mop which can use to clean the surfaces of the schools. Also here have a special type of extended brush to sweep the dust and clear the dust from the surfaces of the school. Also he have a multiple hook to place there the various equipment of the cleaning at one place. Also here he can put their mask and other sanitary equipments. Also you can see here as a CEO I explained what are the uses of our broom. Here a solar charger, with the help of this solar charger he can charge their mobile while dry this broom. Also he have a special type of coconut broom to clean the garbage or the special type of garbage from the surfaces of the school. Also he have used the water dispenser mechanism. As you can see here, from this the water exhale and he can clean the surface in the minimum water. Also with these are the photo when I will working with them. So these are the we put in the exhibition, so our to gather information and take a data what are the feedbacks of the people about our product. As you can see here, we talk with the households, also we talk with the housewife and cleaning worker and the sanitary worker in our area. Our unique selling prosperity is
Deal-taking market. There is no ready solution which combines all the equipment.
We develop a centralized body to combine the all brooms.
Our broom is 1% in eco-friendly.
As he tells, this broom is totally made from the bamboo. Because of that, this broom gains essential stability and it is stable for the long of the time. Also, in this broom is very useful for the professional cleaners who have to clean, clean the multiple surfaces and have the multiple cleaning workers in metropolitan cities. This broom are easily detachable and we can easily carry in the backpack. Now we discuss about the market. In India, the broom industry and the broom market is more than 74.8 million US dollar. In Indian rupees, it is more than 1500 crore market with the compound annual growth rate of 5%. But the 80% broom industry in India is unorganized and only 20% industry is organized. And in this 20% organized sector, there are only few 4 to 5 players which leads to market like the Gala, Scotch Brite and many more players. So we have the great opportunity to create a sustainable and very innovative and more important a cost effective product which implies all this solution in this single room. So you have the question that how we apply our solution in the general day-to-day life. We can apply our solution in
Hospital,
schools
And public places.
and many more places where there is a huge need of the cleaning. So for that, our Atal Swachham is specially very powerful and applicable product in the places where there is a huge cleaning work is needed. The future scope of the product Atal Swachham and Team Atal Eureka is that to combine with the municipal corporation. As of now, there in India more than 500 municipal corporation in the Maharashtra. So our goal is we can combine with them and sell our product to municipal corporation, to or other direct to government, which are very useful for them. Also, we can combine with the very social places like the school, colleges, and the hospitals, and many more things where there is needed. Also, we can plant or make a producing unit of this Atal Swachham like in MSME, micro, small, medium enterprises. Also, we can boost the woman empowerment while for the production of the Atal Swachham. Also, we can develop a environment friendly and cost effectively solution. So, you are ready to let's upgrade the Bharat to Swachh Bharat with Atal Swachham. Let's go!